everyone, this is Shar of YellowYum. We are joined by Nico, who is currently awake. Nia is asleep, so kaya medyo tahimik. In this video, we are gonna show you the things that I bought, mostly from Shopee, online shopping, for their photo shoot and also their first birthday. So their first birthday is on December 27, and because of the pandemic, we won't be able to have a big party. Whoa! DIY lang lahat. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the things that I bought. Tapos, i-flash ko na lang dito. I'll put it in the screen, yung mga prices. It is We Bare Bears. It's a cartoon series featuring 3 bears. So, we just thought na bagay siya with my 3 bears. So, Robin, Nico, and Nia. So, because yun yung theme, medyo mahirap siyang hanapan ng mga party decors because, I don't know, wala yata masyadong nagpa-party na ang theme ay We Bare Bears. So, I got some stuffed toys na We Bare Bears. So, here's Ice Bear. And then, this is Grizzly Bear. And this is Pan the Panda. So, ang binili ko, yung medyo maliliit lang. Meron yung mga bigger stuffed toys. Like sa Miniso, ganyan. Kaya lang, they're quite expensive. And since I wanted more decoration, I just thought na ilalagay ko na lang yung budget sa ibang mga decors. So, ang binili ko yung mga maliliit. These were very inexpensive. Set na siya and it's, I believe, less than 200 pesos. So, 3 ng piraso yun. So, yan. I asked my aunt to get me toys from McDo because yung Happy Meal nila ay We Bare Bears. Nagkataon lang. So, I got the McDo set ng mga bears. I think tatlong different sets yun. So, lahat siya nakuha ko. Sample nito is here. Ayan. So, pwede siyang gamitin as cake toppers or table decoration. Ayan. So, ganyan siya. Then, we'll just decorate them na lang. Next is, I got a plastic table cover just to protect our table. Tapos, yan yung parang easy clean up. I got this one from Shopee. And I also got some fans. Yan. So, per pack, it's 6 pieces. Ay, ang ingay ni Nico. Yan. Per pack, it's 6 pieces. I got 2 colors. So, here is yellow. This is the green one. Use this also for their photo shoot. So, i-recycle ko na lang siya. Gamitin ko siya sa photo shoot and sa kanilang party. Next thing, I think this is one of the first that I got, a pack of balloons. So, this one, para siyang safari theme or jungle theme. Yun yung colors niya. So, greens, white, and gold. This is 100 something, 100 plus balloons. Tapos, set na siya. So, it comes with the balloon stick. Tapos, where you're gonna place the balloons. And, what else? Tapos, ito yata to help you tie the balloon. Siyempre, kung may balloons, kailangan merong pang bomba ng balloon. So, here, I just got the manual pump. There is an electric pump, but it was priced at parang nasa 400 plus pesos. So, ito na lang yung binili ko. Next things, ginagawa ngayon ng sister ko, yung mga tassels. So, we are gonna be using these for their photo shoot also. Kaya, sinimulan na siya. Yan yung tassels. So, ganyan yung itsura niya when you get it. Medyo manipis. Yan. And then, you just assemble it to make it look like this. It already comes with a string and the twisty tie thing. Kaya lang, medyo manipis siya. So, good thing I got three. So, I got pink, blue, and also green. Ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan. When you buy it, it's 35 pesos per pack. Hindi ko in-expect na ganun siya kanipis. Ayan. Tapos, may instructions naman how you do it. Pero, sabi ng sister ko, mahirap gawin.
Kailangan sobrang light-handed ka.
Kasi pwedeng, ang bilis niya mapunit sa sobrang niya nipis. So, hindi ko rin siya pinapahawak sa kina Robin, sa mga babies, kasi delikado. Yan. I got this pala. Happy birthday na, anong tawag dyan? Garland. Banners. Yan. Happy birthday. It says happy birthday. Kinuha ko white siya kasi I also ordered yung per letter niya na nakalagay Nico and Nia. Yan. So, yung Nico Nia, inayos na namin kasi we will be using them sa photo shoot. Ayan. Ganyan yung itsura. Other things that I got for the party, ito for the party na. Ito, yung mga foil curtains. Here. I just bought two na 2 meters each. Yan, ito inopen ko na. Ang hirap niya balik, so pasensya na. I got those two. Tapos ito, I already have this. This is actually a shower curtain. But I plan to use this as a backdrop sa birthday nila. Okay. The last ones so far. These ones I also got from Shopee, pero Miniso brand siya. Ang kwento nito, we were thinking na if I don't find a cake supplier who can actually make yung We Bear Bears na cake toppers, at least meron akong backup na pwedeng ilagay as cake toppers. So, ito siya, Miniso brand, but I bought these from Shopee. And so, it's a 3D ornament. Yun yung nakalagay. We Bear Bears 3D ornament. So, this is Ice Bear. Then, this is Grizzly Bear. And then, can I borrow? Ayan, hawak ni Nico yung panda bear. There. Feeling ko talagang pwede siya for mga cakes because it has a base, a stand like this. So, may base siyang ganyan. Tapos, nakatayo siya. And it is 3D. So, it's actually really, really nice. And, matibay naman. Matibay siya. This was kind of expensive. Sa naaalala ko, it's around 200 plus per bear. But since I wasn't sure if I was gonna find a supplier who can really make good We Bear Bear cake toppers, at least yun nga, meron ako nito. Now that we found a supplier for the cake, ito, gagamitin na lang namin as, decoration also. Nia woke up, by the way. Here she is. Hi, Nia! Hello! Ayaw niyang bitawan yung toy niya. Oh, thank you! Yes? Hi? Can you say hi? Hi! Sayang, hindi ko na video. She said hi. Ay, caught on cam ka, love. Caught on cam. So, patapos na yung mga tassels. Ito na yung green tassel, then the blue, and the pink one. Per set, 5 pieces siya. So, ang gagawin namin for the party, naka-alternate yung colors. But right now, ganyan siya because we will be using these two. Ma, it's camera. Camera, do you see yourself? Say hi. Can you wave hi? Can you wave hi? Hello, Nia. Yes, hi. Hello, baby. Not the lens, love.